4-4 Tunes News Low IQ. Your home of football. And stories we steal from social media. Good evening. Was it a bird? Was it a plane? What exactly landed in the mouth of Man United's ghastly tongue?
Oi! Pass a football!
Who cacked in ghastly tongue's mouth? The bird theory.
Oi! Pass a football!
That's what I think of your chances of being picked for England again. The plane theory.
What do we want? Van hash 8. When do we want it? No! Take this, Louis!
Oi! Pass a football!
Whoops, dizzy.
The llama theory.
Oi! Pass a football!
The ref theory.
Ho ho ho! Are you going to use the magic spray?
That's for not bringing me Subbuteo when I was 6.
Oi! Pass a football!
Don't you start. The goalie theory.
Oi! Pass a football!
Wash your mouth out with soap. Or shampoo should do the trick. The present for your wife theory.
Oi! Pass a football!
That were a present for your wife. Do you want some more? What's the problem? It's only mayonnaise.
What do you think? Comment below, and don't forget to tune in next week for 4-4 Tunes News Low IQ Deadline Day specials. 4-4 Tunes News Low IQ. Your home of football. And stories we steal from social media.